Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how I program the product sorting system for my Skillshop platform. Sorting is an important feature in any marketplace or learning platforms because users want to quickly find the most relevant courses or skills. In my system, users can sort skills by recently added price low to high, price high to low, rating or popularity. I implemented this using PHP, MySQL, and dynamic SQL queries. So I'm in the advanced search. This is the sorting section. You can sort the products by recently added, by price low to high, price high to low, and popularity. So let's see how we coded it. I will demonstrate the sorting logic by going through the code. First, the system needs to capture the sorting option selected by the user. In this section of the code, I create an array called filters. This array collects all filtering parameters from the URL using the get method. Here we store values such as search query, category, difficulty level, price range, rating, and most importantly, the sort parameter. The sort value is retrieved from the URL like this. If the user has not selected a sorting option, the system automatically defaults to newest. This means the last course will appear first. After collecting the filter values, the next step is to send them to the product search class. This class is responsible for building the SQL query dynamically. I created an object called searcher using the product searcher class. Then I pass the filters into the search function. The search function performs two important tasks. First, it calculates the total number of products for pagination. Second, it retrieves the sorted product list based on the selected sorting method. The sorting logic itself is implemented inside the product searcher class. This function is the core of the sorting system. It dynamically generates the order by clause for the SQL query. First, I define a list class allowed sorts. This is this is, this is a security measure to ensure that only valid sorting option can be used. If a user tries to manipulate the URL and send an invalid value, the system will automatically fall back to the default sorting option. Next, I use a match expression which works similarly to a switch statement. Depending on the selected option, the function returns a specific SQL sorting command. Let's look at the price sorting example. When the user selects price low to high, the system returns pricing, price, order by price ascending. This means the cheapest skill appears first. When the user selects price high to low, the system returns order by price descending. This means the most expensive skills appear first. This simple order by clause controls how the database arranges the results before sending them back to the application. The system also supports sorting by rating and popularity. For rating, the products are sorted by average rating in descending order. This means the highest rated skills appear first. For popularity, the sorting is based on the number of customers who purchase the skills. I calculate this using customer count field. Finally, sorting by reviews, order products by the number of feedback reviews they received. Once the sorting option is selected, the system calls the build sort query function. This function returns the appropriate order by clause. The results is stored in a variable called sort query. This variable is then inserted directly into the main SQL query. In this final SQL query, the sort query variable is injected dynamically. This allows the system query structure to support multiple sorting methods without rewriting the query each time. The query also calculates several important metrics: average rating, total number of reviews, total number of customers. These values are used for sorting and also for displaying product statistics. Finally, the sorting system is connected to the user interface. Here I created a drop-down menu that allows users to select the sorting option. When the user selects an option, the form automatically submits using JavaScript. This reloads the page with this reloads the page with the selected sorting parameter in the URL. The backend then reads the parameter and rebuilds the SQL query accordingly. The product sorting system follows a clear workflow. First, the sorting option is captured from the user interface. Then the filter parameters are passed into the product searcher class. Next, the system dynamically builds the SQL order by clause. Finally, the search results are retrieved from the database and displayed to the user. This approach makes the code modular, secure, and easy to maintain. Thank you for watching.